If your iPhone's clock is showing the wrong time, iOS 26 gives you the option to set the date and time automatically, or take full manual control if you prefer. Here's how to manage it. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Date and Time. At the top, you'll see Set Automatically. Toggle this on to let your iPhone use your network provider's information to always keep the date, time, and time zone accurate. If you toggle it off, you'll be able to manually set the date, time, and select your own time zone. This is handy if you're traveling or need a custom setup. For example, automatic time is perfect when traveling across time zones since your iPhone updates the clock without you doing anything. On the other hand, manual time can be useful if you're troubleshooting apps or games that require a specific time setting. And that's it. If this helped you take better control of your iPhone, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips.